laws of motion, and here today we will see the acceleration and the activity on acceleration. Now in our book they are given there one plastic tube 1 meter long, and we have to cut into the two halves. So it is making a channel type, correct? And this is a ball. So we are taking the plastic pipe, we cut it, and this ball is there. Now what we have to do, first of all, this plastic pipe we have to place upper from the ground, and in inclined position we take the ball in our hand and now put at the top of the pipe. Alright. Now here we are not putting that the lower end of the plastic pipe on the ground. It is on the duldex for your seeing, correct? So here I am now placing this ball at the top side, and now I am release it. Now here I am holding it. What is the speed of the ball? What is the velocity? Velocity is 0, correct? Then I am release this ball. You have to observe the velocity. Okay? See here. Once again I will show you. Where the velocity is greater? In middle. Where it is least? At the top side. And it is not here because we are putting it on the duldex. That's why it is not stop here. But it is the least. It is stop on the bottom side. Correct or not?
Yes.
Means what? The velocity is changes. It is least at the top. In middle it is highest, and at the ground it is will be stop. So velocity is changes. Change in velocity, it is called as acceleration. Change in velocity, it nothing but as acceleration. Alright. So there is initial velocity and final velocity, because here two velocities are there. We have taken ball at the top, initial velocity is 0. When we release it, at the middle it is highest velocity, so it is a final velocity again highest. So the difference between final velocity to initial velocity divided by time, it called as acceleration. Because if we release ball here, and when we release the ball, it takes some time, some second to reach at the bottom, correct or not?
Yes.
So change in time divided by change in velocity divided by time is equal to acceleration. Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time, it is called as acceleration, and acceleration is measured in meter per second square.